Hello, this is my prototype, Easy Cooking, as part of my assessment tool. From this page, the home page, I will quickly present all the features that I have included according to my user research. I have included some quick top lines over here. So from here we can go straight away to the recipes page. We can check about the website and we can do the sign up as well. I'll have some quick recipes that is in the top of the home page, some banners that I can just select what is passing through the screen. On the bottom we have some suggestion. From this we can go on the bottom of the page, and for example we can check here, join us. From this page, we can just starting the sign up process, or if you already have an account, for example, we just click here. We can include a username. If you already have the password, we can include password. We check to remember. We do the login, and here we go. We already have this home page. For example, I have included here. From the home page, we can see now our favorite recipes that we have included. And if you want to see from this page, we can go straight away to all recipes. And that's it. From this menu, another part that's really interesting, I have included categories for each kind of recipes. Quick and easy, chicken, and much more. Some guidelines for the page. Another way to research some interesting recipe, we can do, for example, not only for categories, we can go from the search bar. Another feature that is really nice. As example, we can just imagine chicken parmigiana and we can go straight away. And here it is, some results. So if this is what we are looking for, we can click, and as expected we go to this page, the recipe page from what we are looking. And as a result of my research, I have included really nice features about the recipes. So time, cook time, all these recipes are real, and as expected from the directions, we can just follow all the steps. We can leave our expectations. We can join some comments to the page and will be part of the page. At the end of this page, we also have some suggestions. We can go straight to another recipes if you want to join new recipes. And like the other page, we also can leave some rates. We can include these as favorite recipes. And I would like to mention as well, for example, if you don't have an account, as expected, we can sign up. From this page, we can include your name. You can check which kind of recipes you are interested in. We can just include some extra information that is required. For example, advertising TV, hey radio. I have designed this on a chat box to make quicken and focus. We go to the next page, create the account with the email. We can just create now the password, not a robot, and there we go. We have created a new account. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. All these features I have created with big icons and big titles to make more accessible to everyone. Thank you so much.